Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got the DX95T sent in by Don. Real quick, we've hooked this up so we can get a reference of what's going on. I love these 95Ts. Unfortunately, somebody's been in this one, and it's, you know, standard CB shop hackery. So we'll get everything lit up here and let you see what's going on. It's hacked. It's very nasty, and that's at 2 megahertz per division. Now, the other day, it came to my attention, I guess I need to explain how this works. So, the center frequency, whatever I have it on, 27205, will pop up here in the middle. Every division, every square this way, and every square this way is 2 megahertz, the way I have this set. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're looking 10 megahertz this way, 10 megahertz this way. So any spikes we get, you can pretty much determine where they at frequency-wise by going this way or that way. Now, that's the only way to really tell how something is clean or dirty, is you have to look at a wide band. So we can go even to 5 megahertz. There's 5 megahertz. So that gives you an idea how dirty it is. Now see, if I was to turn this in to 500 kilohertz, you're going to see that, but you're not getting a real picture. So it all depends on where your span is set. Your resolution bandwidth is very important. So if I go to resolution bandwidth of 3 kilohertz, I can really zoom in and I can see where the mess is, you know. So it's important, you guys as consumers, to do your homework, maybe watch some videos on spectrum analyzers, learn how they really work. And also, just because I have the reference level set to negative 20 dB, that's the reference level. That does not mean that I'm not looking at, like, say up here we've got a signal that's reaching, if we calibrate everything, say it's 80 dB up above or 60 dB up above what's down here. It's all relative. The 20 dB is merely just the reference level. So I don't know if that makes sense to you. All I can say, I'm not good at explaining this stuff. I have a firm grasp on what's going on, but it just, you know, trying to explain to you guys a little bit how this works. So, and I'm not good at it. That's why I got people like Stern Manley and a few other guys that message me and say, hey dude, you misspoke. And he did the other day, in fact, and I want to clarify something. I said the other day to gain an S unit you have to double your power. That was an incorrect statement. To gain an S unit, you have to double your power twice. So if you're doing 200 watts and putting S5 on somebody, to put a S6, you would have to be doing 800 watts, basically, the way it works. And if I'm misspeaking again, he can tell me. But basically, every time you double your power, you gain 3 dB. Now, you can do that with an amplifier, a Yagi antenna. Antennas have gain. You can do that. Okay, so back to the radio at hand. Radio's very dirty. We're going to get it cleaned up and get it working, and we'll be back. And we're back, and we're about midway through getting this thing cleaned up, and I just want to drive a point home. You know, it all boils down to knowing how to use your equipment and having the proper equipment and the right tools for the job. And I don't touch on this enough, evidently, because just for the questions I get in emails and messages. So we'll cover something real quick. So now, look at that. Okay, and you're thinking, wow, nice job, Mike. There's the true story. So we haven't even touched base there. So this can look good, but where's that power going? And the spectrum analyzer shows clearly where it's going. It's not all going down the pipe. So we're going to get that cleared up here and do some modifications to the transmit side and tune, and we'll be back. All right, and we're back, and we've been working on the 95T. We've got most of the nastiness knocked down on this thing. We're looking good. So basically, and what you guys got to understand is, you know, we can only do so much. nothing's going to be 100% spectrally pure, and what you're putting into this amplifier is what you're getting out. Also, with these radios, they're temperature sensitive, so they have to be warmed up. So, you know, before I do a video, I sit here and engage the clicker, and I'll warm them up and get them good and hot before, because they have to be operating temperature before you get accurate readings anywhere. You know, you just can't hook them up and start checking things out. So anyway, I'm satisfied with the transmit on this thing. Appear to be doing about 200 watts PEP power with a 1 kilohertz tone going into it. So that's 100% modulation. So anyway, and we've cured up quite a bit of the nastiness. So kind of happy with that. So we're going to get on the receive side and get these upgrades done, and we'll be back. All right, we got the 95T hooked up to the SINED test, and we're doing a SINED test here. We're at negative 102 dB down to achieve the standard of 12 dB SINED. So we're going to do a little work to this receive and see what we can do to improve that. I know we can improve it quite a bit. Usually on the 95Ts, they do really well. So we're going to do that, and we'll be back. Back with the 95T, and we've done the receive upgrades, and I love these 95Ts. It seems like they're the ones I get the best results with. Still at the negative 102 down. And we've gained almost 6 dB. So we're going to bring this down. Negative 109 for 12 dB of SINED. So let's bring it down, see where it clicks. We've got 1 dB of that, the tone at a negative 128. So again, Don, what this equates to, and you can ask Steve Gresham, you can ask several of the guys that I've done for, what it equates to. Robbie in Florida, you can ask him. You'll be sitting out there in your truck talking to somebody, and somebody local is going to key up and say, "Who are you talking to?" They're going to accuse you of ghost talking. So anyway, get ready for that one. So anyway, I'm going to get this buttoned up, and we'll do an overview of the tune, and we'll be back. Hey, so we're back with the 95T2. We're going to start with the power level all the way up. We're zoomed in at 10 kilohertz per division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check, check. Hello, radio. Modulating right at 200 watts PEP with a 50 watt dead key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check, check. 1, 2. And as you can see, we're pretty darn clean. I like to look at it actually at 50. Gives a little better story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, radio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, check. 1, 2. And like I say, we're doing about 200 watts PEP from a 50 watt dead key. I'll turn the Galaxy 55 up here. And that's a nice 55. It's going to be for sale pretty soon. We've been playing with it on the bench here. And we have it here on consignment, so we'll probably demo that one next week. Hello, radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The 95T in full effect. Broadcasting on AM mode, channel 20. Looking good and sounding good. 200 watts PEP power. So, and all the way down, which that's going to throw a reference off, but that's fine. I'm just wanting you to hear it. This is all the way down. The dead key set at 10, and it swings about, it'll bump on my voice between 40 to 45 watts PEP power. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. Hello, radio. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. That's variable power all the way down. Broadcasting AM power. Hello, 1, 2, 3. So anyway, that's the audio of the 95T. Well, I guess we could do some sideband. Now I've got to get this. We got quite the span here, and the way it works out, Don, is it's right on the edge of flickering on that 1. You got quite a bit of play here between 49 and 50, and that can make you or break you on being off or on frequency, or what people say. You know, where you clarify people in. It's not real tight. Hello, 1 2. Let's turn this up.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1.
Unless we're just still a little hair low.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. CQ, 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 CQDA.
So like I say, it sounded real good right there on sideband. So we can turn this up. Oh, no, we don't turn that up. We can turn this up.
Hello, 1 2.
Set this.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1.
Turn the reference up just a little bit.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Hello, check, check. 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1.
And I've got her cranking there on sideband, max power about 175 watts. So,
like I say, sounds good and working good.
So that can kind of conclude the test of this old 95T2. Don, it was a pleasure working this radio for you. We're going to get on your Connex. Actually got it done, and we're going to shoot the video, do the follow-up video on it pretty soon, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to upload the video for that here shortly. So like I say, today is Thursday. We hope to have this all back and uploaded and by Saturday and in the mail to you for the return trip. So appreciate your business, and we'll be back with the Connex video. Y'all be safe, be careful, and be kind. We'll catch you next time. I'm gone.